بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين. Dear students, inshallah, in this video, which is 2.5, and it's almost going to be the last video in this series, which is related how to work with the database according to the IGCSE ICT exam type. In the previous videos, we've gone through the different steps of how to create the database, how to make a relationship, how to add the query and the criteria. Inshallah, in this video, we're going to see how to work with the last step, how we going to work with a report, how we can just create a report from the query that we have already created type. In this question now, I need to move to the last step, which is about creating just like a tabular report type. How to do that? I just need to go to my database. From my database, again, I need to go to create. Then this time, I'm going to go to the report wizard. From the report wizard, I will be having the two tables along with the query. I need to select the query. Then I need to select all the fields from the second choice that's showing all the fields. Then I press next. I should not make change unless they ask you to group here. Ungroup. They ask you like ungroup the report. I need to select the second choice. The first choice is grouping the the report here. This is ungrouped. Then I will move next. I have nothing to do here. Then next. So if they ask me just to put any field according to ascending or descending order, that is we can do it. And that is we're going to leave it for another series, which is showing you how to work with a report in details, how to sort the report, how to just work with the design. But in this series, we are just talking about the general information of how to create a report. So I'm not going to make any changes. I will keep moving. Now they ask me to create the layout for the report in the tabular. I leave it as it is. Then if they specify for you like the orientation, whether it's portrait or landscape, you can just refer to the question paper. As they can see here, they ask you just like to work not group, and you need to create just like an a report which is can be displayed either portrait orientation. The orientation is portrait, so I'm going to leave it as it is, since the portrait is the default value for this report. Then next, now I can just change the report name, or I can leave it as it is. Later on, I can just make change, or I can just make it, for example, my report. Sometimes if you make the change, it will not accept. Let's just check. I think now it's okay. See, now this is just like my report has been added. It's called my report. And as you can see here, I can see just my report along with the data. Inshallah, later on in the next series, we'll learn how to work with our report, just how to change our report by whether doing this from the design view or from the layout view. That is, as we said, is going to be in another video. As you can see here, if the fields are very close to each others, we can just easily work on them. I can just make some changes. As you can see here, if there are some fields also not display well, you can just also work on them. We'll try just to make our report looks good. This is just like how if I watch after that, I can just as I said, I double click on it, then it will open for me the report, which is including all the fields that I was working on. I can just go to the print preview also. This is how my report looks, including all the fields that I have created. It is too much easy. All you need just to follow to follow the steps in the video. Later on, as I said, inshallah, we're going to create another series, which is just about how to enhance and how to improve our report appearance just by doing or by making some changes. This is all for this series. We started from the beginning, just like how to create a database, how to import our and examine our tables, how to create a relationship between the different tables, how to create our query and add our criteria, and we end up with the how to create your report. This is all for this series. I hope this been informative for you. Thank you very, very much. طيب. What I want to mention at the end of this video, just like if you want to get more details about those videos, you can just refer to my channel in the YouTube, my channel, which is MA Technique. In this channel, I'm going to add all the videos that I'm working on. You can find some videos related to the theory topics and the practical topics. It's going to be very useful for you, and it is free of cost. Hopefully, you can just gain some good information from it. So please don't forget, just once you log into the channel, don't forget just to put some comments and to subscribe if you feel the videos are useful useful for you. That is all for today. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.